Where you want to go first? Tell me.
नहीं. And then fruits for eyes. बुक स्टोर में ज़्यादा महंगे हैं, उसको हम Amazon में डाल के ज़्यादा खरीद लेंगे. तो हम लोग आ गए यहाँ पर. लेने गए थे बुक्स और ले आए सॉफ्ट टॉय.
Where you want to go first? Tell me. Library or bookstore?
Bookstore. So I.
Firstly, it's library.
Library.
नहीं.
Library.
Library. We go to the bookstore and we won't buy the books.
Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gigi. Where are we going today?
Bookstore.
And then we go buy some and fruits for eyes.
And we are going to buy apple, banana, mango, chico.
What about some new fruits? अगर हम नए fruits ढूंढे तो सेम तो रोज खाते हैं, इसलिए तो हम जा रहे हैं.
And also
कि वो ऐसा बोर होगी ये सेम खा खा के. अच्छा देखो, अब मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताने वाला हूँ बुक स्टोर के बारे में, ठीक है?
Yes. What is it?
The सीक्रेट ये है बुक स्टोर का कि आप वहाँ पर बुक्स ढूंढेंगे और निकालेंगे. तो लास्ट टाइम मैंने देखा था कि बुक स्टोर में ज़्यादा महंगे हैं. आप सब सेलेक्ट कर लेना और मैं सब डाल के अमेज़न से मंगा लूँगा.
मैं नहीं मानता.
आपका पिक्चर ले लोगे आप रिमेम्बर करोगे ये बुक.
नहीं, मैं आपके सामने ऑर्डर करूँगा उसी समय सारे. ओ इतने सरप्राइज मत हो.
But you have to do it in front of the books. So I remember how the book looks. When I see it, if it looks same, I'll say yes. If it looks not same, then I'll say no. So it's better to order in the bookstore and then they'll give it in the car before we leave. And then we'll take it home.
Okay.
So we'll get...
You want to tell these people about the water bottle story quickly? A funny one? You were saying no?
Yeah, but I already finished.
Oh.
So I'm not going to tell it again.
हमारे गाड़ी का नया टाइम पास.
Wow. I love this music.
They can't hear you when you're playing it. Now say.
Music. My favorite music. Lovely, pretty music. So, I know one funny car. It's very funny.
Okay.
I saw it with you also in a different city.
Okay, what is that car?
So, the seat opens from behind and we sit on it and there are people sit from front also, but it's not in over here. It's
You know
only
what is
on
that?
the seat.
That is the taxi in London, if you remember. That opens and you sit on it.
No, more than London. Also, one time we took a scooter. Over there also we saw one car like that. One time we took a scooter for a holiday and we saw
That's
time
London only, baby.
No. Then Rio Bhaiya also we met and Rio Bhaiya came to a hotel to play and he was driving the scooter.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay, now we've come to our bookstore.
We have reached
We've reached.
a library. We have to give the books back.
Library नहीं है, library है.
In the library, we have to give the books back. But if it's a bookstore, then we don't need to give the book back. Yeah? So we should only go to bookstore. We should never go to a library. So we don't need to keep coming and giving back the books and taking it and giving
So you make your own library at home then. If you go to bookstore and you buy the books, then you don't return the books, then अपने घर में library बन जाएगी.
I'll make a library in my house, and then people can take my books and not return it back.
And not return it back.
Because it's my house and not a real library.
So हम लोग आ गए यहाँ पर, एक नया एरिया खुला है यहाँ, क्रॉसवर्ड.
Why is there long lifts sits in this place? Are there hospitals in one of these stores so that we need big long lifts to take the bed like I did one time?
You remember that?
Yes!
Last few days, this is coming off soon. Peppa नहीं छोड़ेगी पीछे ना.
Come on.
Inside. Looks like a big bookstore. Good time pass place for her. You know what is that book also?
I think this is not
I think this is not
interesting.
interesting. This is interesting, but you can't read it.
I did some books which have pictures of the people and also sentence to read.
Okay, so let's go find something for you. Come this way.
Do you have books for 5-year-old which have some pictures in them? Yes. Do you have Peppa books?
Yeah, Peppa books are on here.
No, not Peppa books, baby. Let's find some other good books for you today.
See, you find something like this.
ये चल रही है हमारी पढ़ाई यहाँ पे. लेगोलैंड. फाइनली हमको ये बुक पसंद आई है. अब ये बुक हम ले लेंगे या फिर हम Amazon से ऑर्डर करेंगे. ये खरीदना है. और मम्मी ने दे दी ना मेरे को कुछ एक डांट उसके बाद कि लेने गए थे बुक्स और ले आए सॉफ्ट टॉय.
अभी मजा आएगा.
हाँ,
और बुक भी नहीं आई है.
और बुक भी लिया है. ये बुक तो आप सुनना ही नहीं चाह रहे हो. Acha, you're giving me this book to take for what? It's not the kind of book you'll read. Don't you think that will be a lot of spoiling? ज़्यादा तो नहीं खराब हो जाओगे तो एक से ज़्यादा ले लेंगे तो. रखोगे कहाँ पहले बताओ. यू तो बाकियों का क्या करोगे फिर? वो जो आपके पेपर्स पड़े दे दूँ सबको? नहीं? One you take today. अगर एक से ज़्यादा लोगे तो फिर सही नहीं होगा. You want to keep the red one away or the white one away?
And one is token over there. This is a Soviet toy. One more toy. I'm allowed to touch their toys.
Yeah, you're allowed to touch the toys. There'll be a lot of things around which you can take, but are you sure you want all these things? Why you want all these things? Ask yourself that. कि अभी दोनों लेना क्यों है? ये बताओ मुझे. ऐसे तो यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें सब लेनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको और नहीं मिलेगा रेट. आपको क्यों चाहिए? आप क्या करोगे दो के साथ? एक बार में अगर एक ही लेना चाहिए ना. आपको सच्ची क्यों मन है मुझे बताओ दो लेने का.
Because one is my favorite color and one.
You have such a big, you know how big is your unicorn right on your bed? Do you even play with it once?
But I don't have a colorful one.
You have a very nice colorful unicorn.
Huh?
How big is a unicorn? Do you remember? Should I show
But
everyone?
there are only 2 colors. I want more than 2 colors. One this has
Oh. Are you sure you want both? What if your mama says why you did that? I'll leave the books and I'll take these two.
Mama says that you went for book shopping and no books. You at least get one book, no?
So Isha said, Mama, I've ordered the books.
Oh, you're the smart girl. You're a very smart girl. Okay, you have a great day, okay?
Say bye. How many books did you buy?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm going to just order them.
You're going to order them?
Yes.
How are you going to order them?
On your phone.
No. On my phone.
Yes, on your phone. Dad yesterday I went to Marriott. I only didn't find books when I went to buy them. I just found other things for Yuvan, and I gave something to Yuvan. And I got some books for me. It's called a scratchbook, and book is also in the name, but it's a scratchbook, and we got a stamp book also. Okay.
So what are you going to tell Mama about this unicorn Papa bought you? Papa said, take a soft toy, don't buy books. Don't worry, don't get scared. You liked it, you took it, play with it. Yes. Come now, I think we're reaching the place where we're going to buy. We're going to find some new fruits. हम लोग किस लिए बाहर निकले हैं? आयजा के लिए नई fruits खरीदने because वो same fruits खा के बोर हो गई है, right?
हाँ.
Okay, let's try what happens then.
Let's make her try grapes.
Grapes, I'm not sure how she'll have.
Huh?
Because you have to mash and give her, no? हम आ गए हैं फूड स्क्वायर में आयजा के लिए फ्रूट चुनने.
Fruit. Isa has lovely fruit. Mini trolleys. Huh?
Mini trolley?
Can I hold it?
Hold it?
I want you to hold it.
Yeah, it has a flag also, so we can find you anyway.
Huh?
So we can find your has a panda. Look, a bear. Look up here, there's a bear. So I can find you wherever you're roaming around. Go shopping now. I'll sit and you go shopping.
You
Okay?
can find me.
I'll find you. Go.
Because I have a flag.
Because you have a flag.
But if somebody else takes the flag one, then you'll think that's me.
See, I found these big bananas. Here, take it.
That beauty app, have you had that too? And Ma used to give me it.
You want to come back again next week to shop for Aiza? Okay.
Yes, I just know it.
Okay.
But next time we come, I have to be big enough. But otherwise we can't come. Because we have to get that out.
Okay.
No? Wow! Nobody else got a mini e-trolley with a mini flag except me. I am allowed to eat big bananas, but my small sister smaller than me is allowed to eat big bananas. She only can eat small bananas.
Have you told her your name?
My name is Amanda. My spelling is A-N-A-Y-A. And I will come next time.
Yeah, you can call me. Whenever you come, you can first call me. I'll be there for you.
क्यों नहीं खाती ठंडा?
When she becomes that tea, then she will start eating thunder and will not like garam.
Okay then. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
How long you want to be in the car?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. But we won't be for 2 minutes. Because we got a long way to go. But Akhilesh will take us faster, okay? So now you want to say anything about your trip? How was it?
Yes, nice.
Wow, nice.
Did you enjoy? How was your new little trolley which you were pulling?
It was a mini trolley.
It's a mini trolley. Okay. You want to tell other kids to come and try it over here? Your own shopping basket.
Can we tell my friends to come here and hold the mini e-trolleys, and I will show them, and then I'll give them the fruits to try, and then give them every fruit to try. Can you sing it like that?
No, I can't, baby. I can't compete with you in anything.
I can. I did it.
You did it.
Can you do it? Try. Try first. I'm not sad because it will not take infinite minutes that it's so many that I'll be sad, but I'm not sad. So when shoot was there, when you were in that shoot, and Mama was in it, and I was in, Lucas was also in it, and Aiza was in Mama's tummy. That shoot, do you
I remember.
You remember?
I remember the shoot. कौन से फ्रूट लेके आया बाइजा के लिए?
Bananas. 2 bananas.
That's it.
बाकी आप खुद खाओगे इतना सारा फ्रूट?
नहीं, बाकी भी लाया है। और फिर क्या लाया?
स्ट्रॉबेरीज?
हाँ, स्ट्रॉबेरी। I think ये स्ट्रॉबेरी लाया। तू बनाना तो स्ट्रॉबेरी।
फ्रूट खाते हुए बाय बाय बोल दो जी जी इसको।
Bye. I love you. Bye, Mr. and Mrs. Gigi. I love you. Bye.